Hello everybody, we are back with another vlog. I wanted to start off the vlog here. I actually had genuinely no intentions of vlogging at all this week or this weekend. It's Friday right now, but something crazy has just happened and I figured this is the perfect opportunity for me to vlog. So weirdly enough, if you've already seen the title, which you probably have if you clicked on this video, I'm moving. Right, changed my location. Bed is definitely not made. If you can see that little schmoo right there, just straight chilling. But I'm moving. We're moving. Me, Paul, and Moo are moving. So for those of you who don't know or you're new here, my name is Gianna. I make vlogs, styling videos, outfit videos, fashion videos, all those types of videos. So if you're new, hi, what's up? I'm so glad you're here. If you're not new, welcome back. And I currently live in Charlotte, North Carolina. So I'm originally from New York, moved here about 2-ish years ago now. And we have been living in a 1-bedroom apartment for the entire duration of time since we moved here. With that being said, our lease was coming up and we needed to either like re-sign or not re-sign and figure out where we're gonna move to, and we were toying with the idea of like moving to a different complex, but we weren't 100% sure because it's like kind of like a hassle and it's expensive and there's just a lot that goes into it. And we knew that we wanted to be in Charlotte most likely for the next year at least, and then kind of pick where we were going to move to after. So we're like toying with the idea of, do we leave, go to a different complex? We've been touring pretty much every single apartment in this area for the past 2 months. I swear, like we have seen literally every apartment. We just are looking for a little bit more space. So we looked at a bunch of different apartments and we're looking at only 1-bedrooms because apartments in the South End where we live are expensive. Like, to put it lightly, they are money and they are going up every single month, literally every month, because the influx of people moving here is just so insane. So we were looking and we found an apartment that we loved. We were gonna do it, but there was just a lot going on. Long story short, they ended up signing with somebody else, which was completely fine and understandable. But then it kind of put us in a pickle, like, well, what are we gonna do? We knew we wanted ground level just for Moo and all that, and we were having major trouble like finding just an apartment with like free parking, because that's insane. We both have cars, and like a lot of complexes here are charging for parking, which crazy. We kind of like broke our lease and are just transferring to a different apartment in the same complex, and I'm really excited. So we're getting a 2-bedroom, which is going to be so exciting. Just more room, different layout, change of scenery, and we just figured let's just do it. It's probably gonna be the last time we rent before we buy something, and I'm just really excited. So we literally have 3 total days to move. Like I said earlier, it is Friday now, so we are going to start moving our stuff Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, be there out of this apartment, and then Saturday I'm actually flying home to New York for the holidays. So it's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a lot. I'm gonna do a moving vlog, and then I might do like a week in my life next week. I'm not 100% sure yet on how the vlog is gonna go. This may be like one really long vlog, one not so long vlog. I'm just not 100% sure, but I knew I wanted to start it because I was going to start packing. Like technically today I'm going to pick up a bunch of free boxes that I like found on Nextdoor, the app. So technically the moving vlogs start right now. I hope you guys are excited. I'm excited, and yeah, I'm like out of breath. I'm talking so fast because I'm excited, but I also want to get all the information out there. So I just figured let's start off the vlog. Hi everyone, it's been a few days. By a few days I mean like 2. I started on the packing process today. I did like minor things yesterday. Yesterday was Saturday, and I woke up this morning and I got to it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've done so far. I meant to do a time lapse, but my camera was dead. I'm having weird issues with my battery lately, but I'll give you guys a little overview of what I've done so far. I have like appliances and just like bowls, pans, everything like that. And I found that like this is the stuff that's like taking up the most packing, because as you guys can see, like the kitchen is absolutely insane right now. But most of the cabinets are pretty much empty, which is good. I took down the stuff from the wall over there. All pretty much of our wall stuff is down. You can see like my pieces are over there and all that. So even like the shelf above the couch is gone, so that's kind of sad. I'm glad that the kitchen is pretty much like almost done. I do have a lot of stuff out right now, but it's literally just because I don't know where else to put anything. The office opens right now, so Paul went there to get our keys and to pick up lunch. And I think we're just gonna start bringing like stuff over because we have to be like fully moved in by Tuesday and have this place like spotless on Tuesday. So it's a lot. It's a lot. The bedroom has absolutely nothing done. Like I said, we just took everything off the walls. Oh my gosh, I left my freaking mirror on. Oopsie. But stuff like this, I'm doing laundry too, which is not the best, but like stuff like my desk and all that, I just feel like I'm not gonna be able to pack it yet because we're not gonna have Wi-Fi there until tomorrow morning, and they're coming between 9 and 11. So I'm not really sure, and I have to get COVID tested at some point. So I'm just like, I wasn't stressed, and I'm not stressed about the moving process. I'm stressed about the things that I have to do on top of the moving process. This is just gonna be like the busiest week for me, work-wise, life-wise, traveling-wise. Like, it's just a lot. But all in all, I can say I am so excited for my kava that I'm about to eat when Paul gets back. So I'm gonna throw my hair up, I think, put on some moisturizer, and then just keep going with the packing process. Okay, it is many hours later, and we've made progress. I haven't brought you guys over yet to the apartment, but I did film an empty apartment tour on my phone, so I think that I'm gonna upload that part into this video. But anyway, you can kind of see behind me the state of the apartment. It really doesn't look like we've done much. Doesn't even look like we made a dent. And it's literally because everything that I packed was in the kitchen. This is my old phone case. My old phone case with like the donut pop socket. I kind of want to get back to the pop socket. They're kind of convenient, and especially because they drop my phone so often. And I feel like I kind of need like a ring or something to hold my phone, but Mems right here. Okay, I look so crazy. But I took the mattress off. Paul's been like unpacking. Cable's gonna be there soon, so that's exciting. We'll have Wi-Fi, thank God, so I can start working because I didn't take the day off. But here's an overview of the bedroom. That's still there. That's like Moo's safe haven. Desk, all of this stuff still needs to go. So I have a box right there that I'm gonna start packing. Let's get to it, ladies. I don't know. Ooh. Maybe I just needed like a, it's like so tightly wound in there. I know. Oh my God, guys, I did it. I got it off. It was so hard and my hands are killing me, but it was worth it because it's off. Thank God. My clothes back there. Paul said I'm literally cut off from buying shoes, and I actually agree. I have so many shoes I didn't realize until I started like packing and loading up the car that I have a weird amount of shoes. Starting off, you walk in through that door and there's a closet right here, a really big closet with washer dryer. That's why I like that it has like more storage. So now I'm behind, or I'm in front of the front door, and you walk through. Hi There's a nice little shelf. And then you walk into the main living room, kitchen area. Looks just like our kitchen in our old place. And it just has all the same stuff pretty much. I think we definitely have less cabinet space, which will be interesting, but pantry, and then the living room. And then there's the porch area right there. Paul and Laura. Also forgot to mention this little closet right here. Little coat closet. Okay. So again, that's the walk-in. Then you come over here. And here is the first bedroom. I don't know which one. I guess this is the master. But I'll actually zoom it out for you guys. So that's the master, I think. It has two nice windows. Walk this way. This is the master. And there is the same sink setup. A big, nice shower. And then here's the closet. So good little shower or closet right there. I'm also filming this on my iPhone, so we'll see about the quality. A nice little rack right there. Moose following me around like a lunatic. I'm sweating. Coming back out. Hi, Bubby. I should have brought you water. I'm sorry. Coming back out. Here's the second bedroom. Looks like this. And then I like the double door situation here. For like the ensuite bathrooms. Maybe this. I don't know. This one has like the bigger sink area though and more cabinet space. So I'm really not sure, but yeah, looks like this. And then you go over here and here is the closet. So maybe this is the master because it's so much bigger. The lighting is not the best. Let me turn the light. There's the lighting. Shelving. So that's this closet. And then I like this because then you can get back out to like the main living area from here. So, hi! And here's Shmoo. Just dragging around a leash. But yeah, so that is that. Here again. But yeah, so that is the empty apartment tour. I have this little gate right here that I'm gonna put up, but yeah, just a little apartment tour. All right, I've been at the other place for a while. I forgot my camera here. I'm like the absolute worst, but I'm back to get more stuff. All right, I'm in the apartment. I have to swap out all the lights so they're like white lights, but I want to show you guys the state because I feel like these are honestly laughable at this point. So this is the living room area, kitchen, and I really just want to put everything away. So I'm gonna multitask right now and try and put a good chunk of stuff away that I can, kitchen wise, not so much living room wise. Kitchen wise, yes. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom. We're in the master bathroom, although I'm pretty sure the other bathroom, well actually I know, the other bathroom is way bigger. It has more cabinets and everything, but that bathroom's like off the living room area. And this bathroom's in the bedroom, so that's why I figured we'd take this one instead. I'm gonna start putting stuff away. And I put like a good chunk of stuff already in the guest bathroom, and like all like random ace bandages, stuff like that. And then all of like our main stuff, which is like mainly in this box, I'm gonna put in this bathroom. Haven't spoken to you guys in a while, but it is a few hours later. I moved almost all my stuff into the closet, but I think I'm just gonna honestly move my stuff into the other closet just because there's just not enough room. And honestly, me and Paul are like super confused on which is the master and which is not the master. And I'm starting to think that maybe there isn't a master, because usually they make these apartments for like roommates and not so much like people to actually live in. I don't know. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. But I'm going to end off the first moving vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about our new 2-bedroom and what you guys think is the master bedroom. That's gonna be the question of the vlog. Which one is the master bedroom? I don't know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the empty apartment tour as well. Let me know any design ideas down below. I'm really excited to like somewhat redesign this place, but not too much, because I loved how our apartment was last time. So I'm not gonna do anything much different, but a few things here and there will change. So stay tuned for that. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and you enjoy seeing moving vlogs, because there's a bunch more coming. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in moving vlog 2. Bye guys.